Nunca me vas a pisotear. Como que sabes todo. Mira, sí.
No, he's throwing the rocks at him.
Viste, está más pendejo que yo. Chipuñeta.
Hit it!
Here they come.
Hit the one on the ground,
Viste, está más retardado que yo.
Ah, you're gonna hit the window. I'm saying all loud.
No shit.
Oh! Look, they're right there.
Oh.
Se pegó el pendejo. ¡Síguele así, señor!
Behind you!
Behind you, Junior, behind you!
I need rocks. Fuck that, I need to get more bread.
Go fish some more bread, do you listen?
I'll probably get some rice with no bread.
Some rice. They gonna eat rice too. They ain't gonna eat.
They can't see it. They can see
Right here.
Look at that shit. Man, there's a whole bunch right here in the ditch. You know, that's why they're chilling. They're waiting.
Look, there's a bunch of them up there. They're coming down, Junior, right here. Damn, they gonna shit on our face, man. Look. That shit recording shit over here, right?
Yeah, look at that. Little blackbirds on the tree.
Oh, right here, the tree.
Where?
Right here.
No, right in the front.
In the front, in the front, right here, in the front, right there.
Where?
It's right there, nigga. Here you go. Yeah, right here, Junior, right there.
Right there.
He's right here, man. Fuck, where you gonna hit, man? Shit.
Ya se comieron todo el pan.
Oh.
Oh.
He's over here.
Over here, real quick. Over here.
I spotted him. No, he left now.
Hey, but that one's still over here, though. There.
Oh, where?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. Junior, what the fuck? Shoot one of them. You're right there in the tree. What? You see me? What the fuck you doing?
What is this?
Oh. Hey, my friend. You see them?
Did you record it? Okay.
No, hell no, I ain't got to.
What do you do?
He walking out stupid like a monkey.
I get some bread next time.
Bread.
Try to buy some more bread because I ain't got no bread. I gotta wait till the 8th. Buy me some food snacks.
You put the roach in there? Eh?
Oh, here they come, here they come. Oh, that was like 7 of them hoes.
Where?
They flew that way.
They flew that way, they're coming back around. Oh, they're doubling back.
No, they're coming around, flying like that.
Yeah,
They tripping you. They're making you, they tricking.
Hey, let's go fishing.
¿Cómo chinga, güey?
No he ido a pescar.
Yo tampoco.
Pues vamos. ¿Qué chingados espera? ¿Qué horas son?
I gotta get bait.
Hey, what's that
Yeah,
for?
right.
I guess what this do is $5.
That's the food.
Oh, you got a string tied up right there. Who did that shit?
Oh, the old man.
The old man did that?
Yeah, to the fucking branches and back off. He wants a place to look nicer. Know what I mean?
Yeah.
More atmosphere. More atmosphere makes the house look nicer for it. You know what I'm saying? What the house is on this on the foot. Hey, so you never done any work like inside of a bathroom? Like make towel y todo ese pedo?
With my dad?
Plumbing.
Not plumbing, I don't know.
Plumbing.
I mean, no tiene chiste el plumbing, I guess. Nomás de poner las
How about putting down cement?
cement.
Like, I could do that.
All of that? All 3 of those?
Cement.
Cement? I need a...
You need to talk to him.
I need a
Where,
cement
inside the
one.
house?
Yeah, inside the closet. Like make a hole. Just make...
In a house?
No, well, you know what I'm saying? Like on the floor. Cut a hole through it. And you know, put a kind of like a small foundation or something where I can just stack it up to level it out in the closet. Like right on the floor, stack it over, put on cement and have a wash and dryer there. Because if you put a wash and dryer there, straight up on the wood, it's gonna take the whole house away, you know?
Yeah.
But you don't poner a hole, you know, since it's hollow down here, make it cement to ground level with the closet.
But you never know, you might have pipes down there that you don't know, gas lines or...
Well, you know, I could just look down there.
Watch out, man! What the fuck you thinking? That shit te picó.
That happened.